Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to offer a 10% discount up to 200 only for loyal customers. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discounts app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount and enter the discount title as flat 10% off. And you can copy that same title and click on discount code and enter the same discount title as the discount code. Then click on percentage and enter the discount and percentage example 10 and capping amount as 200 and select discount applies to all products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirements, then you can select. Here I am selecting no minimum purchase requirements and select customer has tag. And you can enter the tag of loyal customer. And select number of times this discount can be used in total and limit to 1 use per customer. You can also set the start date and time and end date and time. And if you want to combine this product discount with any another order discount, shipping discount, then you can select it. And then save your changes. Now go to the customer section. You can select any of your customer for which you want to available this discount. And you can enter the tag here of loyal customer. So the tag has been added. Now you just need to copy that particular customer's email ID and you can just enter it in the checkout so that the discount will be applicable for that particular customer. Now save your changes. Now we will test the setup on our online store. Go to your catalog, add any product to your cart and try to check out. Now I will enter a test address. And I will enter that particular customer's email ID here. And now I will enter the discount code. So the 10% off has been applied. The 10% of 699 is 69. So it is not exceeding the capping amount as the capping amount is 200. So the discount will be applicable for particularly this customer. Now I will just remove that customer's email ID and I will enter any another customer's email ID. For example, I am adding this sample email ID and I will now enter the discount code again. So see, I am unable to enter the discount code because this discount code is only available for that particular customer's email ID. Now I will try to add the product to the cart that exceeds the capping amount. For example, I am adding this particular product. Now I will enter that particular customer's email ID and test address. Now I will enter the discount code here, flat 10% off. So the 10% of 5,000 is 500, but it is not exceeding the capping amount 200. So the total savings is only 200. So if I remove this particular customer's email ID and I will enter any another customer's email ID, then this discount will not be available. For example, here I am again adding the discount code. So I am unable to apply this discount code. So that's it. You have successfully applied how to set 10% off up to 200 only for the loyal customers. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.